Hey guys, it's Video Tech Dude from Video Tech Dude Academy, and in this video I'm showing you how you can make a Zoom account and log on to Zoom. A Zoom account can be helpful because it makes sure you can get into a meeting, where some meetings have security features that don't let unauthorized users inside. So let's jump into the computer and check it out. Alright, so now we're here in the computer and I'm going to show you actually how you can add Zoom to your desktop right here. And so what you do is you just go into the taskbar down here, and you have to have it installed. If you haven't seen my first video, check that out in the playlist. But you right click on Start Zoom and you do Open File Location. It opens this up. I'm going to drag this over holding Alt on the keyboard. You can see that just created or changed it to Create Link on Desktop. I'm releasing the mouse button and boom, it is now on the desktop. I'm going to start Zoom by double left clicking on Zoom, and now it opens up, and it automatically opens up the desktop browser as well, and you can log in from here if you'd like, but I'm going to go to this screen, which is probably what you will see, and I'm going to hit sign in. And to make an account, you can push sign up for free down here, or sign in with a Google or Facebook or this right here as well. And then I'm just gonna hit sign up for free, and it first asks you for a date of birth. I'm just gonna select date of birth right here. Boom, let's go. And now it asks you for an email address, and you still have the option to sign up with Google as well. I'm going to type in my email address. Awesome. And now it does a little verification. I'm going to select all the palm trees here. Boom. And we're good to go. So it's just sent an email to my Gmail account. I'm going to open up my Gmail right here. And now there it is right here on the top. It says Zoom, please activate your Zoom account. I'm going to click on that and just simply click the activate button right here. Okay, awesome. Are you signing up on behalf of a school? Nope. Continue, and then it asks you for first and last name. I'm going to do that right here and put in a password you'd like to use in the future. There we go, and just hit continue, and then you can invite people. You don't have to do this at all. You can just push skip this step, although it's grayed out. A little tricky trick. And then it says your personal meeting URL is this. So this is the one that people will use to join your meetings that you host, if you want to host your own, which you can. I'm just going to hit go to my account. And now that we have our account created, I suggest selecting a profile picture. That can be done by clicking on the little profile image right here. And now you can push upload, and you can select a picture from your device. I'm just going to use a Google Chrome image I used in thumbnail. And then once you upload your profile picture, you can crop it, which is a nice feature. And once you have it the size you want, it shows you a preview over here on the right. I'm gonna hit save, and boom, we have our profile picture done. I'm gonna go back to Zoom by clicking on the program on the bottom taskbar, and I'm going to push back, sign in. I'm gonna sign in with my email address here. And password. I'm gonna say keep me signed in for ease of access, and boom, we have our Zoom account, and you can see up here that our profile picture has already updated, so that's super cool. And now we are ready to join our first meeting, but first I'm going to be showing you how you can be a master at using Zoom before you join your first meeting. So make sure you follow my Zoom Master Series playlist in the description down below, so you can become a master at Zoom yourself. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like it if it helped you out, and I'll see you on the next one.